What's up guys? So I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with this Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just making sure that I apply it all over my eyelid just to kind of help my eyeshadow last longer. Winged eyeshadow side and smoke it out a little bit. And then now I'm going into the LA Girl Very Black Gel Liner. As you all know, I love their product. What can I say? It's creamy, it's black, very dark. Then I'm just gonna like kind of wing it out a little bit. And also, I mean, a little bit of a black gel liner kind of like brings the whole look together. What do you think? So now I'm kind of like pulling out or creating that slightly cat looking eye area. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, and then I'm making sure that I outline my lower lash line as well with that same gel liner, just to kind of like black out my eyes a little bit more. the Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm making sure that I spread it out evenly using my foundation brush, and then I'm going in with that concealer yet again. on my cupid's bow, and that's about it. And we're not gonna highlight our cheekbones because it's already done. And then I'm going in with that lipstick from MAC, and this one is called Persistence. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, bye bye.